A 300-mile-long and 100-mile-wide corridor of the highest recorded cancer rates in the southeast, in Georgia and Florida, sits atop the Langdale Toxic River emanating from Valdosta, Georgia. Ground-soaked poisons from at least 40 toxic dumps in Lowndes County, mostly on Langdale Holdings and those of the DOT, contaminate the Great Florida Aquifer, which is the water supply for nearly all of Florida and tragically delivers a river of poison from the north. Toxic sludge from numerous hazardous waste sites in Georgia enters Florida in south-flowing surface and underground rivers. River-dumped toxic waste then seeps into groundwater through porous beds of the Suwannee and Withlacoochee rivers and their tributaries. The aquifer flows southeast and delivers death and disease to a rapidly expanding area in Florida. The flowing toxic aquifer lies beneath the region of highest cancer incidence rate in the southeastern United States. Observe the overlay of the CDC cancer map and the U.S. Geological Survey and the aquifer flow from the Langdale toxic sites. The nearly exact match of the water flow and surface disease patterns from CDC maps illustrate an underground river of disease and death flowing from Georgia into Florida. The continuously expanding Florida cancer region matches the probable spread of Langdale's toxins across Florida in the underground aquifer. The aquifer flows vary in speed and direction. The south-flowing toxic corridor directly threatens the water supply of Ocala, Gainesville, Lake City, and Jasper, Florida. Since every city in Florida shares the aquifer and all large cities draw water from the aquifer, natural flow patterns pull the poisons into major city water supplies. Expansion of the disease corridor toward major cities, drawn by water flow, presents a present and growing threat to Florida's economy, delivering poison to anyone who uses water. This river of toxic sludge threatens the health and economy to all of Florida because polluted water naturally flows to areas of most consumption, guaranteeing maximum human, political, and economic damage to Florida's residents.